Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to Custom Venture, where we learn sewing tip. Okay, today I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Every returning subscriber, I say God bless you. Thank you for always being there. And then if today is your first time of coming across my video, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you very much. It's not a mistake. You are welcome. Today I will be cutting and sewing a beret. A beret with purchased by the side. Okay, follow me as I go. Okay, I will use this to draft it. I need about 18.5 inches by 16 inches. Well, it all depends on how wide you want your beret to be, but all I just need about 15 wideness or so, just about 15 wideness. So I haven't gotten this size now. What do? I fold it into 4. 1, okay, then the second fold. Don't mind this, my paper drafting. Okay, second fold. So the next thing, from the edge here, from this edge, here, I'm going to mark 8. Then mark it 8. Mark it 8. Then I connect them. So I cut it. Okay, so I open it. Okay, this is how wide it's going to be, this. Okay, so I will need 2 of this. So is this same one I will use to cut the fabric. I will use it to cut the fabric, the gum stay or interfacing, and also lining, because I want to put lining there. Okay, so okay, I've cut the fabric. It's the same size. Okay, I've cut the fabric. The interfacing, I've already ironed it with the lining. So what is the next thing I'm going to do? Okay, so I've gotten the 2 pieces I need, the fabric I need with the interfacing, and then the 2 linings. So what is the next thing I'm going to do? I will keep this one here. This one will be the one at the top. Then for this one, I'm going to create the wideness of the head. And what is the measurement of the head? The head circumference is 25. It's 25, and then the fabric is drawing type, so I won't measure 25. I'm going to measure about 23.5 or 24. Okay, so how do I go about it? I will get the center of this first. Get the center of it. Okay, the center of the fabric, this is about 15.5, so that will give us 7.75. and then check the side here too. This one is 15, so it will be 7.5. Okay, let's check this one again. Because they have to be at the same place. Okay, so let's make it here to be the center. So the next thing, I'm going to measure about 3 inches from the edge here. 3 inches from the edge. Mark it round. 3 inches from the edge. The sewing allowance is there. The space for the head is there. If I haven't measured this and it's not wide enough for your hair circumference, you adjust. If you want yours to be wider than this, you increase your cutting. Okay, so I measured it. I'm going to link it together. So I will be joining the dotted line together. I want to be very careful so that it doesn't stain the fabric. Okay, so I will just tactfully cut it so that it doesn't stain the fabric. Okay. Cutting this off now. Okay, I get the center here. Going to cut it off neatly. If I find this video helpful, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, share the video so that others will benefit from it. Okay, I've gotten the center of my beret now. So the next thing, I'm going to join this together. I'm going to sew it. I will sew it. You can see the beret is already forming. I will sew it, and because of the softness of the cloth, that's why I'm putting lining. So there will be lining for this. I sew it together. But I will sew the lining for this one because I have to pierce this one too. You know, I will pierce it and then use it to turn it. Okay, then we stitch it together. That's that about that. So I'll be using this one for the design. I said the crunches at the side of it. I will stitch it together like this and put it at the side. Okay, it's going to come out beautifully. Let's go to the machine. Okay, the beret has been completed with lining. Okay, so the next thing, I'm going to use this to design it. Arrange these beads there, stick these beads to it, and then at the tip here, I'm going to use this bead to also design it. Okay, it's going to come out beautifully. Okay, let's go.